Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. Would you believe me if I told you that these awesome plates are actually made from leaves? They are super durable and adorable. I absolutely love these chic leaf plates. We use them all of the time. We are always having company over and everyone brings lots of goodies with them. So these plates are a great way to keep a really casual evening looking good. It doesn't matter what you're serving, whether it's ice cream, pie, steak, these plates are going to hold up. And the best part is, since they're made from leaves, you can simply break them apart and toss them into your garden. No matter what the event is, people are always complimenting these plates and they're always scared to throw them away because they say they look too nice. When I tell them they're leaves, they are shocked. I love that if I have a night where I am just not feeling like putting much effort into dinner, let alone doing the dishes, I can still look like I tried when I use these plates. This brand has become a staple in our household. We love these plates and we're going to keep using them. And that's our point of view.